Are you being passed over for promotions? You are doing the work, you are hitting your KPIs, but every time a leadership role opens up, someone else gets the nod. You ask for the feedback and they say you are doing just great. Keep it up. And that's a lie. Or at least it's not the whole truth. Organizations rarely tell you to your face that they don't see you as a leader. Instead, they send quiet signals. You aren't just imagining the invisible ceiling. The recent 2025 data shows that 77% of organizations admit they are coming up short on leadership development, yet they continue to pass over internal talent. In fact, while 71% of millennials say they will leave their jobs within the next 3 years due to a lack of leadership growth, companies are still failing to choose the right management talent 82% of the time. So if you feel you are stuck, you are not alone. You are part of a global leadership crisis. And today we are breaking down exactly how to rewrite that narrative before it's too late. So let's go with sign number one, the expert trap. Research from Hogan Assessments reveals that more than 40% of high potential programs are filled with people who are great doers but actually rank as below average leaders. Being the best at your job doesn't make you a leader, it makes you a specialist. Organizations often keep experts in place because replacing your technical output is too expensive. To move up, you have to stop being the answer person and start being the multiplier. Sign number two, missing executive presence, the 26% rule. According to the Center for Talent Innovation, executive presence accounts for 26% of what it takes to get promoted. It's not just about what you know. 55% of your professional authority is communicated non-verbally. If you aren't invited to the strategic pre meetings, it's likely because you haven't mastered the gravitas that is required to influence the room you are in. Let's move on to sign number three, that is the sponsor gap. A 2025 AD Global report found that in high growth markets like Singapore, lack of support, that is mentor sponsors, is the number one barrier to advancement, which is outranking even the skill gaps. Mentors give you advice, but sponsors give you opportunity. If no one knows your name, your promotion is a statistical improbability. Let's move on to sign number four, high emotional reactivity. Management quality accounts for 70% of the variance in team engagement. Senior leaders look for shock absorbers who can maintain composure. If you are known for being reactive under stress, you are a liability to the bottom line. Disengagement caused by poor management costs the global economy over $400 billion annually. They won't risk that on someone who cannot regulate their emotions. Why should you bother fixing this? Because the data is on your side. Internal promotions are 20% faster to get up to speed than external hires, and external hires are 61% more likely to fail in their first 18 months. You are the safest bet for the company. You just have to prove it. Organizations that prioritize internal leadership development see 2.3 times greater financial success. And here's the bottom line, being quietly blacklisted isn't permanent. It's a feedback loop you didn't know you were in. Now that you can see the signs, you have the data to change the input. Remember, corporate world doesn't always reward the hardest worker. It rewards the person who provides the most strategic value to the organization. If you have realized that today, that you are stuck in the expert trap, or that your executive presence needs a polish, don't get discouraged. Get intentional with it. You are the CEO of your own career. If your current organization refuses to see your leadership potential, often you have made these pivots. Then you have a new mission. Find an organization that will. Don't let your talent go to waste in a room that isn't built for your growth. I want to hear from you which of these five signs felt like a personal call out, or have you ever successfully turned a no into S for a promotion? Drop a comment below if this breakdown helped you see your career through a different lens. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. Like and share with someone who may need it. We are deep diving into high performance career strategy every single week. So stay tuned and come back to this channel again. Thank you for your attention.